Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful hand embroidery designs for kurtis, how you can design your dresses by sitting at home, how you can design your very beautiful embroidered dresses by making use of handwork, hand art, hand embroidery. So different type of stylized patterns of black kurtis, black dresses have been shared, ranging from long v-neck designs, collar embroidery designs, ranging from normal wear everyday breathable comfortable cotton kurti designs to formal dress designs for office wear, school, college, university going students as well. So different type of color combination have been used, ranging into different type of neckline patterns like v-neck, like bot neck, like different type of stylized cut work patterns of kurtis have been shared. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas and patterns of today's video collection. This video contains almost 25 plus creative ideas that are specifically designed for black kurtis, for black shirts. Even you can use other dark tone colors as well for designing and decorating these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. And in the comment box, let us know which type of design ideas and hand embroidery patterns you would like to see in the upcoming days. Until then, take care. Stay tuned for the more new upcoming videos on my channel.